Alright, this video is to show you how to start out your whole room on Onshape. So go to your Canvas page, and if you scroll down, you'll find Onshape whole room link somewhere. Okay, for this class, it's particularly on under Tuesday. So if you click on it, it has a bunch of different things. Okay, so I give you kind of the generic bedroom size. So 11 feet by 12 feet, ceiling height's about 9 feet, and then I just put wall thickness at 4.5, which that all makes sense in a bit. So you can draw it a couple different ways. A two wall perspective or a four wall perspective. Some people do 3 wall, which I'll show you as well. And then finally, you want to make it realistic, add anything you can, add color. Most things start out as geometric shapes, but very little in your room. Bedroom, kitchen, living room, whatever room you choose, very little is just kind of box-like. So we want to make sure that those things are realistic. So, and of course use accurate measurements. So, and then it says bonus points. It's not really bonus points, but kind of a bonus to you is if you can bring in your household object. So, if it of course makes sense. Okay, so. Going to Onshape, we click Create Document. We'll name this Whole Room. Okay, and then I guess going back, I'll kind of show you some finished ones. Okay, so you can kind of see the thumbnails, but here are some different completed shapes. Okay, so they made their bookshelves, their bed, their desk, stuff like that. This was a living room. Same thing. And they made all those within the actual room. So another living room, another bedroom. So this is a 3 wall perspective. Okay, so it's got 3 walls. And then here's another one. Okay, so you can kind of see, what most people did, either a living room or a bedroom. So, okay, so coming back into the one that I started. Again, I'm going to hide those 2. So I just have the top. Okay, I'm going to click Sketch, choose my plane. It's my rectangle tool. I'm going to click, and then I'll click again. And this is where I put in these. So 132 and 144. So 132, enter. 144, enter. I hit the green button, I hit extrude, and then this is where I choose the 9 feet, so in inches it's 108, 108, click my square, and click the green. Obviously I can't see it, so I'm just going to click that, isometric. Okay, so I just have a big box. This is where I'm going to take away some walls. Okay, so up here you see this, it's called shell. I'm going to choose the top. Okay, so if I left it like this, that would be a 4 wall. Choose that one, that'll be a 3 wall perspective. Choose this one, that's a 2 wall perspective. Okay, under shell thickness is where you put that 4.5. Wall thickness 4.5. That's why I put it there, and click the green. Okay, now you have a wall here, and the floor. Okay, next you're going to click Sketch, and depending on what room it is, you're just going to choose this plane, this plane, or this plane. Okay, so say I'm going to draw a bed, I would choose this, choose my rectangle, kind of figure out where I want to put it, click, click. Now most beds are anywhere from 60 to 80 inches by 60 to 80 inches. So let's go 60, enter, 75, enter. Okay. Click finish. Click extrude, choose it. Most are like anywhere from 6 to 12 inches, so let's just do 8 inches high. Okay. So then this is where I'd maybe draw pillows or round it so it looks more like a bed, stuff like that. Okay, so that's completely up to you what you put in here, but you put enough stuff that makes it look like a real room. Okay, whether it's a living room, bedroom, kitchen, dining room, kind of rec room or playroom, classroom, whatever. Okay, so and again, here's how to color things, right? That's the whole thing. Otherwise, add appearance. You can choose, different walls and stuff like that. Okay, and then rounding, kind of making it the chamfer is kind of making it ramp type thing, stuff like that. So again, it's pretty right now generic, but that's because you get to create whatever room you want. So, but that's at least how you start. So remember, use these if you don't know. Otherwise, you can measure your own room that you're going to do. Make sure that things are life size and actual to scale. So.